Welcome to JH. You have likely encountered this brand across social media, where it is marketed for enhancing hair length, nail strength, and skin radiance. The company focuses heavily on an Instagram-friendly aesthetic, utilizing stylish pastel packaging and a modern design. According to the labels, these products are health-conscious, being plant-derived, sugar-free, and gelatin-free, making them suitable for vegans. Each dose contains 5,000 micrograms of biotin, along with supplemental nutrients like folic acid, vitamin C, and zinc. These are fairly typical components for beauty-focused supplements. However, it is important to note that these might only be effective if you currently lack these specific nutrients. There is no definitive evidence that they will accelerate hair growth for every user. While the items are manufactured in a GMP-certified facility within the United States, which is a positive sign, their claims of third-party testing are difficult to verify since no laboratory reports are available on their website. This lack of transparency might concern some consumers. Furthermore, the website itself has some technical flaws, such as social media links that simply redirect back to the main page, which can seem unprofessional. Customer feedback is varied. While their own site displays over 4,000 positive testimonials, these should be viewed with caution as they are self-hosted. On Trustpilot, the brand holds a 3.2-star rating from over 689 users, while Amazon shows a higher 4.2-star rating from roughly 73 reviewers. Many customers reported positive outcomes, noting improved well-being, reduced cravings for sugar, and decreased hair breakage. Some even found it more effective than pricier alternatives. Conversely, several users had negative experiences, primarily regarding unintentional subscription enrollments that were difficult to terminate. Others simply saw no visible changes. Ultimately, while the product is not a scam, it is also not a miracle cure. The ingredients are reputable, but individual results differ significantly. If you are interested in trying it, we recommend purchasing a single bottle first and avoiding any recurring payment plans until you are certain of its effectiveness.